So another part that we've already kind of covered previously, but what is super important is avoiding bounces. So that's one of the worst things that can happen to your domains and accounts, excessive bounces. And yeah, it will ruin your domain reputation super fast. You want to make sure that your emails are not bouncing. And to quickly cover what bounces are again, it's basically just emails that have been failed to deliver, uh, mostly because the recipient's email address no longer exists. So how do you check bounces and how do you avoid it? So you can actually see bounces for each campaign in Instantly itself. So if you hover this frowning emoji, you'll see the number of bounce leads. And basically what you want is to aim for a lower bounce rate than 2% of your total outgoing emails. So let's say if you send out 100 emails, you want to make sure that you bounce less than 2 times. And ideally, of course, you want your bounce rate to be zero, but we've seen that that's pretty unrealistic. You just want to keep it as low as possible. Don't panic if it's like a bit, but you just want to make sure that it's not really above 2%. And yeah, how do you avoid bounces? It's basically cleaning and verifying your lead list before sending. So there are different tools to do this, and it's mostly covered in our lead mining section that we talked about previously. But to quickly cover it, there's two tools that we've used before: it's bulk email checker and million verifier. So there's pros and cons for each of these, but they work similarly. And yeah, basically, if you get your lead list wherever you get them from, you can run it through those tools and then export them and then import them to Instantly where you actually start sending. And this way, you can make sure that your bounces are as low as possible, which is really good for your email campaigns.